Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray and to another Blu-ray update of the week. Today I'm going to show you Mission Impossible 3, Ghost Protocol, Imax, Born to be Wild, and Buck Privates. So let's start here with Mission Impossible. Comes with a slipcover, glossy and colorful, and just the names are embossed. Has the exact same artwork. Born to be Wild also has a slipcover, but it is lenticular. And Buck Privates is a digibook. Here we have the code for your digital copy. 2 discs. This one's the DVD, silver, and the blue one is the Blu-ray. And the case is eco-friendly. It is region-free and comes with English, Dolby True HD 7.1, as well as French, Spanish, and Brazilian Portuguese, Dolby Digital 5.1. Also comes with the code for your digital copy and 2 discs only. Here we have the 3D and here we have the DVD. The digital copy is a download link. 2 things you should know here is that the 3D, you must have active or passive 3D glasses in order to watch in 3D. And another thing is that this 3D disc will also play in regular 2D. Just be advised that the audio and subtitles advertised on Blu-ray.com is completely wrong. It does not have 7 languages and 9 subtitles as advertised there. It only has both the 3D and the 2D only has 3 languages and 3 subtitles. English as DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, French and Latin Spanish as Dolby Digital 5.1. Same for subtitles. English, French, and Spanish. So just be advised, there is no Brazilian Portuguese, no Japanese, and no French. And now let's talk about this universal release here. Buck Privates in digibook. It's a 2 disc, 1 DVD. Let's get this one out. And 1 Blu-ray. The DVD is region 1. And the Blu-ray is region free. Has lots of photos here. Lots of posters from Buck Privates. And for this edition it has just 1 language, English as DTS HD Master Audio 2.0 and English, French and Spanish for subtitles. It is in black and white and standard version, pan and scan. In Buck Privates you also get this flyer talking about the 100 years of movie making, Universal Studios. Scan the code to watch the anniversary trailer. So quick recap here, all these 3 titles have 2 discs, Blu-ray and DVD. Mission Impossible also has Blu-ray and DVD and Blu-ray and DVD. The DVDs are region 1 and all the Blu-rays here are region free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.